good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Pixel 6 Pro on the desk, and today I got a case video for y'all. I got a classic today, guys. I got a case from Spigen. As we know, that's been a go-to case company for years out here. Shout out to Floss who put me on the Spigen. But today, for my Pixel 6 Pro, we got the rugged armor. So as you can see, it's in the typical Spigen packaging, guys. As you can see, slim design, for perfect grip, form fitted for device, perfect protection. So we're gonna just go ahead and get it out. We're not gonna delay this video, guys. We're gonna get straight to it. We've been here, we've seen this before. This is the rugged armor, guys. You can see it's in the plastic, and not all the paper is in the plastic. I've been had this case out, guys. So I was just fronting. But anyway, here we go. Got the rugged armor, guys. It's a TPU case. And it's a nice cover-up case. You know I like that mixture of matte with the gloss, and we got the Spigen branding on here. So as you can see, we got the cutout for your mic, we got the cutouts for your Type-C and your speaker, and we got the button press. And as you can see, the slits around the buttons for the nice button press. As you can see, we got some grips on the side so you can grip the device so you won't drop it in the first place, guys. Nice look. As you can see, Spigen branding right here. Boom. So let's go ahead and see how this thing look on the device, guys. Okay, guys, we got the case on the device, and as you can see, it turned it all black. First of all, that's one thing I like about these cases that have to do with this Pixel 6 Pro, guys. If it's not covering up the whole device, I don't like it. If it's letting them chrome edges on the camera bar show, I don't like it. Is because it takes away from the case. Let's, keep it covered up so we can change the complete cover of the device. This one is the cloudy white. You see no white. That's what I like about these cases. It's a nice feel in the hand, guys. It's definitely a nice feel in the hand. Matches my black and green theme very well. So first off, we don't have that much raised lip action. We got a little bit. As you can see, those sides, guys, with those little grips, very nice. I like how they got the matte in with the gloss. Covered up, nice, bolstered up camera protection, guys. As you can see, if your hands are a little sweaty, you can leave a little, like, it does this thing like right here. It does get some moisture off your hands, and change the case a little bit. Nice carbon fiber, faux carbon fiber look at the bottom, guys. Just a nice little case, under 20 bucks, guys. But with this case, I would say you want to bring a screen protector if you're that type of person. Me, I don't rock a screen protector, even if I don't have no case on my phone. I just don't like the way screen protectors feel, period. I never met a screen protector that I liked, so I just chanced it. But as you can see, nice cutout for your Type-C, all of that right there. You got, no matter what charger or cable you use, you got space, big cutouts for your speakers, guys. So yeah, this is the rugged armor from Spigen, guys. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description for Amazon, and if you buy this case off of Amazon with the link that I provide, it does help the channel out, and I appreciate it, guys. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, BG_TechLife, and if you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.